Hello Monarchs, welcome back to my channel. I have this kit I bought off Amazon. It comes with nail glue, UV lamp, nail tips, and a nail tip cutter. Got my nail tips pre-measured using my electric nail filer to file them down. Now that that's filed down, I'm going to be doing my actual nails. Don't forget to dust off all that dust. Going to start the nail application using my nail glue and UV lamp now. Look closely as to how I apply the nail glue onto nail tip. This method has helped me a lot, so keep an eye on the hand movements. Apply onto fingernail and move under UV lamp to cure. First nail done, now for the rest of the nails. These are just the nail tips and look how cute they look. Since I do prefer my nails to be a bit shorter, I will be using my nail tip cutter. Now using my buffer to buff out the shine on the nail tips. Most importantly, don't forget to dust off all that residue. These are the 3 nail polishes I will be using. LA Colors Gel Collection in the color Darling, 2 Sally Hansen in the Extreme Wear Collection in the colors White On and Camelot. Using Camelot as my base color nail, I did end up doing 2 coats in total to make the color more solid, I guess you can say. Now using White On nail polish, I'm going to be using the nail brush to create that diagonal French tip. I will be doing the exact same thing to the nail polish Darling, but of course on the opposite of that white color. These are the nails. Now to use top coat in all nails and curing them as well. Perfect. Lastly, the cuticle oil. Apply on cuticle area and smooth it out. Let me know what y'all think of these. In your opinion, would you do this design? It's super easy and you hardly use any tools, just nail polish. You can also use different colors and whatnot, different designs. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more easy and simple videos like this one. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.